With the mass of the sun were 10 times smaller and the universal gravitation were 10 times larger in magnitude, which of the following is not correct? Time period on a simple planet Earth will decrease. So time period is going to be 2 pi root over L by G. Now this G is GME by RE square. Now the length is not dependent upon capital G or the mass of the sun, but this small g is dependent upon this. So this g becomes higher. In fact, this becomes 10 times. Okay, so therefore what is going to happen? Okay, the denominator increases, so therefore the entire thing decreases. So yes, this is true. This is going to happen. Walking on the ground, it become more difficult. Okay, walking on the ground will become very difficult. Yes, here also like the time period, not the time period, the acceleration due to gravity, which is GME by RE square. Okay, so this capital G is changing, so therefore acceleration due to gravity. So earth is like pulling more, and if the earth is pulling more, okay, so this is a person's free body diagram. This is mg and this is n. So if this mg increases, the n also increases, and thus the frictional force, which is mu n maximum. Now the maximum of the frictional force will also increase, and thus yes, moving will be difficult. Raindrops will fall faster. So what is the value of the raindrops velocity? So this is 6 pi neta rv is equal to mg. So mass into gravity. Now gravity is again gme by re square. Now g has increased, so yes, the velocity will increase. So okay, so this is also true and this is also true. Now the last one, g on earth will not change. No, that's wrong. This is wrong. G is going to change because g is basically gme by re square. Now this capital G has changed, no? So therefore this is going to change. So therefore which of the following is not correct? D is not correct.